Okay, so hello, welcome back once again. And you can see we continue our discussion on the two variable K-map. So we've got two examples to the left side and to the right side. We have got two different very representation of the K-map. However, there is little difference, and we will understand what that difference is. So to the left side first, you see the variable A and B, and 0 here means uncomplemented form of variable A, and 1 here means a complemented form of variable A. Similarly, 0 is uncomplemented or non-complemented form of variable B, and 1 is a complemented form. Therefore, in the four cells, cell 1, cell 2, cell 3, and cell 4 inside, we can write A or B in the first cell. This is what we'll write. Again, 0, 0, it means A or B. That is how we have written, and both variables A, B are in its uncomplemented form. In this cell, we shall write A 0. It is 0, that means A, and here it is 1. That means we'll write B bar, okay, because 1 here is a complemented form. So expression is A or B bar. In this cell, we shall write 1, that means A bar, or B is having a value of 0. A or B is therefore an expression. Finally, in this cell, we see that the value of A bar, value of A bar is 1, and value of B bar is 1. Or in other words, we see both A and B are available in their complemented form. That's why the expression becomes A bar or B bar. So there are four different terms in each of these cells. Okay, in each cell there is one particular term. That term is basically a sum term, sum. And when you mark a particular terms together, for example, this and this, we shall say that that becomes a term called as POS. That means product of sum. Okay, so we can write, for example, you mark this term here, you mark this term here in the expressions given. So we have to consider the two terms of these cells. So the expression would be here, would be A or B, and A bar or B bar. That is how you'll write. So this is basically a product of two sum terms. That is why POS. Now we come to the second part of this tutorial, where we see the similar two variable K map of the variables. However, look at this. When you say 0 and 1, 0 means it is A is available in its complemented form, and 1 means A is available in its non-complemented form. Similarly, 0 means complemented form, 1 means a non-complemented form. Therefore, in four cells, we have to write an expression. And the first cell will have the expression of A bar and B bar. Second cell will write an expression of A bar and B. Third cell, A and B bar. Fourth cell, A and B. Okay. So the first cell, we see that 0, 0, it means we'll write A bar and B bar. Second cell will be A bar and B. Third cell will be A and B bar. Fourth cell will be simply A and B. So you have to look at each row and each column at that time. So finally, in this case, you can see that these terms, individual terms, they are basically the product of sum. And when you mark a particular terms in that and write the expression, for example, you mark this cell and you mark this cell, and you have to write the expression. So it would be called as f equal to, let's say, a bar and b bar, or A and B. So you basically see that we are actually writing the sum of two product terms. So that's why it is called as SOP, SOP, sum of product terms. Okay. So sum of product terms and product of sum terms, we've seen the difference. So hope you found this model useful. If you did so, share it with us for wider reach, and till then, stay tuned for more engaging content like this. Till then, wish you happy learning.